Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage with smoked turkey. First, gather your ingredients: 1 head of green cabbage, about 2 pounds of smoked turkey, and your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Next, chop the cabbage into 1-inch pieces and dice the smoked turkey. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and absorbs all the delicious flavors. Get ready for a comforting and flavorful meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your diced smoked turkey in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat for about 5 minutes until it's lightly browned and fragrant. This step really brings out its rich flavor. Then, add your chopped cabbage to the pot, stirring it thoroughly to mix with the turkey. Pour in about 2 cups of chicken broth and sprinkle in your seasonings. This liquid will help the cabbage tenderize beautifully. Once everything is in the pot, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. The goal is for the cabbage to become wonderfully tender, absorbing all those savory flavors from the smoked turkey and broth. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom and to ensure even cooking. This slow simmer is key to a delicious dish. Finally, once your cabbage is perfectly tender, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce. Serve this comforting cabbage and smoked turkey hot, either as a satisfying main course or a flavorful side dish. It pairs wonderfully with cornbread or rice. For the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.